You know your worst trades: chasing after a loss, entering because you're bored, revenge trading after getting stopped out, taking a trade you knew violated your plan. These trades are preventable, with 60 seconds and 5 questions. Most traders think they need better setups, more indicators, sharper entries. That's not the problem. The problem is taking trades you shouldn't take. Trades driven by emotion, not strategy. A checklist doesn't find perfect setups. It filters out garbage trades made for the wrong reasons. Here are the 5 questions. Ask them before every trade. All 5 must be yes. If any answer is no, skip the trade. Simple, powerful, ignored by most. Question 1. Does this match my plan? Not does it look good? Does it match your written criteria? If you don't have written criteria, you don't have a plan. You have preferences. Preferences change based on mood. Plans don't. Yes or no. Question 2. Am I trading emotions or my system? Be honest. Are you entering because your system signaled or because you're angry about the last loss? Sizing up because the math says to or because you need to recover faster? Emotional trading always loses. Yes or no. Question 3. Is position size calculated? Not guessed. Calculated. What's your stop? What's your risk per share? What's 1% of your account? How many shares does the math give you? If you haven't done the math, you're gambling. Position sizing determines 90% of results. Don't wing it. Yes or no. Question 4. Is my stop placed? Not planned? Placed? In the system? Before entry? You decide now, not after? Where does this trade prove me wrong? That's the stop. Place it. If you're thinking you'll watch it and exit manually, you're lying to yourself. Place the stop now. Yes or no. Question 5. Can I accept this loss? If this trade hits your stop, can you accept that and move on? Or will you spiral into revenge trading? If losing this trade will tilt you, don't take it. Emotional capital matters as much as financial capital. Yes or no, 5 questions, 60 seconds. All 5 must be yes. This isn't about finding perfect trades. It's about filtering out trades that destroy accounts. Revenge trade after 3 losses fails, question 2. Oversized position hoping to recover fails, question 3. Trade without a stop fails, question 4. Setup that looks good but doesn't match your plan fails, question 1. You already know what happens when you skip the checklist. You take the trade. It goes against you. You didn't place a stop because you were in a hurry. Now you're watching it, hoping it turns. It doesn't. You hold longer than you should because you didn't predefine the exit. The loss grows. You exit emotionally. Now you're tilted. You take another trade to recover. That one loses too. This is the spiral. The checklist prevents it. 60 seconds before entry. That's all this takes. 5 questions. 5 yes answers required. You're not slowing down your trading. You're preventing the trades that shouldn't happen. The best trade is often the one you don't take. Here's what changes. You start seeing how many trades you take for the wrong reasons. First day with the checklist, you might find half your intended trades fail the questions. That's not the checklist failing. That's the checklist working. It's showing you how often you trade emotionally instead of systematically. This is execution. Not knowing what to do, doing it. The legends from last week all had versions of this. Douglas had his 5 fundamental truths he reviewed before trading. Jones questioned every position daily. Dennis gave the Turtles a system with entry rules they followed mechanically. None of them winged it. All of them had a filter between impulse and execution. Print the 5 questions. Put them next to your screen. Before every trade, answer them, out loud if that helps. All 5 yes. Then trade. Any no. Skip it. Do this for 1 week. Track how many intended trades you skip because they failed the checklist. Track whether skipping them saved you money. You'll find the answer is yes. The checklist doesn't guarantee winners. It prevents the trades that are guaranteed losers. The revenge trades, the boredom trades, the oversized hope trades, the no-stop gambles. These destroy more accounts than bad setups ever will. 5 questions, 60 seconds. All 5 yes. That's the system. Install it today.